Hello, ellarkum vanakkam. My name is Anusha. So today I am going to teach you that the book back exercises of the lesson Annai Tamile. Okay, 4th class lesson. So the first Roman சரியான சொல்லைத்து தெரிவு செய்து எழுத்துவோமா. That means choose the correct answer and write. Okay, so here first one annai plus tamile. So here என்பதை சேர்த்து எழுத்த கிடைக்கும் சொல். That means join and write these two words. ఈ రెండింటిని కలిపి రాస్తే కింద 4 wordsలో ఏ వర్డ్ వస్తుంది అని అనమాట. సో హియర్ వీ కెన్ సీ ద ఆప్షన్స్. అన్నైన్ తమిళే, హియర్ n is added. Next one annai tamile, here it is added, and here annat tamile, and the last one annai tamile. So here the correct answer is annait tamile. Okay, here a is the correct answer. Next one பிறப்பெடுத்தேன், இச்சொல்லை பிரித்து எழுத்து கிடைப்பது. Same here. Here they gave one word and we have to break and write this word. So పిరిత్తి எழுத்துగా means దీన్ని విడగొట్టి రాయాలన్నమాట. సో కెన్ వి సీ పిరప్పు ప్లస్ పెడుతేన్. సెకండ్ వన్ పిరప్పు ప్లస్ ఎడుతేన్. థర్డ్ వన్ పిరప్పు ప్లస్ ఎడుతేన్. హియర్ లాస్ట్ వన్ పిరప్ప ప్లస్ ఎడుతేన్. సో ద కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ పిరప్పు ప్లస్ ఎడుతేన్. పిరప్పెడుతేన్. ఆ ఈజ్ ద కరెక్ట్ వన్. నెక్స్ట్ థర్డ్ క్వశ్చన్. மறந்துன்னை இச்சொல்லை பிரித்து எழுத்துக கிடைப்பது. Same, we have to break the word and rewrite. First one மறந்து plus குன்னை. Second one மரன் plus குன்னை. Third one மறந்து plus உன்னை. Last one மரன் plus unnai. Here what is the word? Marandunnai. So here marandu plus unnai. Here u is coming. So e is the right answer. Okay, next fourth one சிறப்படைந்தேன் இச்சொல்லைப்பு பிரித்து எழுத்து கிடைப்பது. Same here also we can break and rewrite the word. So சிறப்பு plus அடைந்தேன். Second one சிறப்பு plus அடைந்தேன். Third one சிறா plus படைந்தேன். Next one சிறப்பா plus அடைந்தேன். Here the correct answer is சிறப்பு plus அடைந்தேன். This is the right answer. The last one எண்ணில் என்ற சொல்லின் பொருள். Here in this they are asking about పొరుల్ means meaning. ఓకే, అంటే దీని యొక్క ఈ పదం యొక్క అర్థం రాయాలన్నమాట. ఎన్నిల్ యొక్క మీనింగ్ ఏంటని. So Unakul, second one. Nammakul, third one. Ulakul, fourth one. Yanakul. The answer is Yanakul. Yenil means Yanakul. Okay. These are the first Roman. The second Roman is here. We can see the question and answers. Okay. Here we can see Vinakulukku Vidayali. That means questions ki write the answers for the questions. First one, Sollil விளையாட சொல்லித் தந்தவள் யார்? So answer is Sollil. Here we can see clearly the answers. We can write the question itself, and here in the place of yar, that means yavaru, yar place la mattum, here the answer will come is Annai Tamil. Okay. Sollil விளையாட சொல்லில் தந்தவாள் அன்னை தமிழே. Okay. Annai Tamile will come as a first question answer. Second one, question, எதை சொல்லல் முடியவில்லை என்று இப்பாடலின் ஆசிரியர் குறிப்பிடுகிறார்? So here the answer is second one answer, சொல்லால் உணத்து புகிழ்ச்சி. Okay, this is the answer for second question. Here we can write this answer in the place of endru place la we can write this answer. Okay. Next, the third question, இப்பாடலில் ஆசிரியர் அன்னை தமிழ் எவ்விதம் புகழ்கிறார்? So, this means ஆசிரியர், the writer of the lesson Annai Tamile, how he praised the Tamil. That means ఏ విధంగా తమిళ మీన్ అన్నయ్య తమిళ మీన్స్ తమిళ తాయ్, తమిళ తల్లి, ఆవిడని ఏ విధంగా పొగిడాడు అనేసి. సో హియర్ వీ కెన్ సీ దిస్ ఈస్ ద లాంగ్ ఆన్సర్ క్వశ్చన్, ద థర్డ్ క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్సర్ ఫ్రమ్ హియర్ టు హియర్. ఓకే, వీ కెన్ రైట్ దిస్ యాజ్ అ పాయింట్స్. Okay, these are the answers for the questions, and we can see the next Roman. Here இப்பாடலில் இடம் பொருள் ஒரே எழுத்தில் தொடங்கும் சேர்க்கலை எடுத்து எழுத்துக. That means write the words starting, write the word which starts with the same letter. Okay, first one ennai, he gives that ennil. Second one we can write unnai, ulagil. Okay, third one sollil, solli. Okay, same sollal, solla. Okay, and here the second Roman. இப்பாடலில் இடம் பொருள் ஒரே ஒரே ஓசையில் முடியும் சேர்க்கலை எடுத்து எழுத்துக. That means write the words which gives the same sound. The pronouns like same. So here they gave that kalandavale. So the next one we can write vallarpavale. Second one vallarpavale. And first one vanarpavale, second one is vallarpavale, third one tandavale, next one mudiyilaye. Okay, these are all gives same rhyming. Okay, the next Roman, complete the song. பட்டாம்பூச்சி பறந்துவா பறக்கும் பூவாய் பறந்துவா பட்டுமேனி ஓவியம் பார்க்க ஓடிவா தேண்டு தொட்டு பார்க்கவா தொழனாக இருக்கவா. We can complete this song with these words. In this lesson, the last Roman is solvuruvakalama. So we can make the words from these letters. Okay, so the first one kurandai, kurandai. The second one annai, third one கவியரசர். தமிழ்மொழி. Okay, these are the words we can make from these letters. Okay, I think from this lesson this is the last exercise. Okay, if you want to more videos like this, please like, share and subscribe my channel. I will make so many lessons, okay, like this. Okay, thank you so much.